Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your payment method was declined error in App Store. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to add your payment method to your Apple ID or to your App Store, but you're facing this type error again and again, that whenever you try to add a new payment method, you might see the error that your payment method was declined. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just try to go back from here and open your settings app, go to General. Go to VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, simply go back, go to language and region, select region, and then select your own region in which you are living. After selecting your region, go back from here and just go to date and time section. Enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back, go to software update, and just try to update your software. After updating software, go back from here and you just have to go to screen time settings, go to content and privacy restrictions, and try to disable all the restrictions from here. You have to also make sure that your internet is working well. Open your browser and open any website to check if your internet is working well or not. If you might see that your internet is weak, so you have to try to connect with a different, stable, and strongest network connection. Then go to your app store. Just tap on the profile icon at the top right. Tap on your Apple ID, and here just enter your Apple ID password. So after entering your Apple ID password, just tap on the sign in option, and your Apple ID has been signed in. So now you have to simply retry to add your payment method, but in a different way. So you just select this country or region option from here, and you have to select your own country or region in which you're living, or the country or region which you have just selected with your iPhone settings. I recommend you have to try to use same country or region in your iPhone settings, and also for your app store or your payment method. Just tap on your country or region from here, then tap on continue, agree at the top right, and here on this screen you have to add your payment method again. So just add your payment method, then enter your billing address correctly, enter your phone number, your name. So you have to keep in mind that the payment method or the card you are using has supported to Apple ID. So if you're using any Visa or any other companies or any other card insurers, so I recommend you have to try to confirm that they support the Apple ID. So you can try to contact with your card insurer to confirm this. We can also check for your card expiries. So sometimes it might be that your card has been expired. So you have to try to add a new one or try to get a new one. So once you have done this, tap on option to the top right, and your payment method will be successfully added to your Apple ID. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to contact the Apple support team to get official help. Now to do this, open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can use Apple Support web. Select iPhone from here, select subscriptions and purchases, tap on update payment method, and here just tap on this get more help, then tap on careless. After that, you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.